The discovery of new variant with a high number of mutations raises concerns about COVID-19 transmissions, triggering travel restrictions. The National Institute for Communicable Diseases said 22 positive cases of new variant has been recorded in country following genomic sequencing. News of the announcement broke on Thursday. South Africa Health Minister Joe Phala said the variant was behind an exponential increase in reported cases, making it a major threat to the healthcare system. So what do we know about the new variant? The new COVID variant called B11529 has a very unusual constellation of mutations which are worrying because they could help it evade the body's immune response and make it more transmissible. South African scientists have detected more than 30 mutations to the spike protein, the part of the virus that helps to create an entry point for the coronavirus to infect human cells. The variant has baffled experts. It has a big jump in evolution, many more mutations than we expected. In comparison, the beta and delta variant respectively have 3 and 2 mutations. The latter originated in India and caused the devastating second wave last year. The one piece of good news is that it can be detected by PCR test. So really this is a good news. So the mutations are associated with increased antibody resistance, which makes the virus more contagious. The World Health Organization said it is closely monitoring the reported variant. So another biggest question is, are COVID-19 vaccines effective against this new variant? COVID-19 vaccines are based on the original coronavirus spike protein. Logically speaking, COVID vaccines could become less effective against this variant, so raising concerns that the new dramatically different spike protein could render vaccines less effective. But it is not proved yet. So Maria van Kerkhove, the head of emerging diseases and zoonosis at WHO, said on Thursday that the concern is that when you have so many mutations, it can have an impact on how the virus behaves. So it will take a few weeks for us to understand what impact this variant has on any potential vaccines. Any new variant that is able to evade vaccines or spread faster than the now dominant Delta variant might pose a significant threat. Professor Helen Rees of the WHO's African Region Immunization Technical Advisory Group urged people not to panic. Whether it is more transmissible, is it associated with any more severity of disease, does it render the vaccines less effective? So all these questions are yet to be answered. Variants don't stay in one country. What is the main criteria to control this variant? Faster detection and response
is the main criteria to stop its spread and to prevent further development of new super strains.
The variant has spread rapidly through the Gauteng province of South Africa, home to the economic hub Johannesburg and capital Pretoria. The confirmed cases in Botswana and Hong Kong were detected among travelers from South Africa. In response, Britain banned all travel from the country and 5 other Southern African nations. Israel also announced on Thursday it was barring its citizens from traveling to South Africa. It also included Lesotho, Botswana, Zimbabwe, and Mozambique, Namibia, and Eswatini to its highest risk travel list. EU Commission Chief Ursula von der Leyen also said the EU will aim to halt air travel from South African regions. The number of daily infections in Africa's hardest hit country has increased tenfold since the start of the month. The country's daily number of infections hit 1200 on Wednesday, up from 106 earlier in the month. Before the detection of new variant, authorities had predicted a fourth wave to hit South Africa ahead of festive season starting about middle of December. So South Africa has the highest pandemic number in Africa with approximately 2.95 million cases, of which 89,657 have been fatal. So we should guard ourselves against the new variants. Hope this information is useful. Be alert, be safe. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and share to your friends and family members and help the channel to help others.